Hey guys, Romero here with RM.Adventures. I'm showing you how to use the IBR override on a Sea-Doo GTI SD170. This comes in handy whenever you're doing some cleaning and checking to see if there's anything stuck in the impeller. This is pretty simple to do. So when the machine's off, press the start key to set the GTI into battery mode. Insert the key, press the IBR lever. You're going to see IBR override. You're going to hit mode. When it says on, all you need to do is press the up arrow to make the bucket go up, or down arrow to make the bucket go down. And you could see that your trim level will mark the position that the bucket's in. Again, this is very useful when checking to see if there's anything stuck in the impeller for regular maintenance and cleaning. Once you're done moving the bucket to the position that you want, the bucket will stay in that position until the ski is turned on. So if you need to stick your hand in there to clear any debris or anything like that, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you remove the key, and you leave the key removed until you finish doing what you need to do. Once you are ready to reset the bucket, you could just input the key, start the ski, and it will automatically move back to the neutral position. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.